T-Mobile's eSIM for international travel is a great option, but is it the best? Before you pull the trigger, here are 12 things you need to know, especially when comparing it to other services on the market. Stay tuned till the end to find out if it's really the best fit for your next trip. First off, T-Mobile's eSIM lets you use international data without needing to swap out a physical SIM card. This feature alone sets it apart from a lot of competitors who still require that swap for global service. Next, while T-Mobile's coverage is extensive, especially in popular international destinations, it's not available in every country. Other providers, like Airalo, may offer more global coverage and specific regional plans if you're traveling to less visited areas. The third thing to note is that T-Mobile's eSIM is tied to specific plans. You'll need one of their Magenta Plus plans or higher to get eSIM functionality. If you don't already have these plans, this could add extra costs compared to other providers that offer more flexibility. Moving on, one of the benefits of T-Mobile's eSIM is the ability to use both your home network and an international network simultaneously with data sharing. But this might be limited in some areas depending on the type of roaming agreements T-Mobile has. The fifth thing to consider is the data speeds. T-Mobile promises 2G speeds in many international locations, with an option to upgrade to faster speeds for a fee. While this is fine for basic tasks, other options, like Airalo, offer more consistent data speeds globally without the need for additional upgrades. The sixth thing to mention is pricing. T-Mobile charges a daily fee for international data use, which can quickly add up if you're traveling for extended periods. While this could be a good deal for short trips, there are alternatives with fixed prices, which might be better for long-term travel. The seventh thing is that activating your T-Mobile eSIM is a pretty smooth process, but it's not always instant. You might need to wait for some time for activation, and there can be some hiccups depending on where you're traveling. Other services, like Airalo, often activate your eSIM immediately after purchase. The eighth thing to know is that T-Mobile's eSIM is only available on certain devices. If you're traveling with an older phone, you might be out of luck, as compatibility is a concern for many users. Competitors often offer better device compatibility across the board. The ninth thing is that customer support for T-Mobile's international eSIM is solid, but not always the fastest. When traveling abroad, getting immediate help for a technical issue might be tough, and other providers like Airalo often have better support channels for global travelers. Next up, T-Mobile's international data plans allow for limited talk and text options, which can be a plus if you need to stay connected for basic communication. However, if you're looking for more than that, you might find that other services have more robust options for voice calls and texting, especially with local plans. The 11th thing is that T-Mobile offers convenient online management for your eSIM, letting you adjust your plan and settings easily. But not all services offer this flexibility, and some, like Airalo, can be managed from apps that are designed specifically for travelers, making them more user-friendly. Finally, while T-Mobile is a solid option for many, the last thing you need to know is that it's not necessarily the most affordable for frequent travelers. Other services can offer more cost-effective solutions, especially if you're traveling to countries outside of the usual tourist hotspots. In conclusion, T-Mobile's eSIM is a decent choice for international travel, especially if you're already on one of their higher-tier plans. However, for a more global solution, more flexible pricing, and wider coverage, we recommend checking out our preferred solution that you can try for free.